Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Ledger to the Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet allows you to use the Ledger hardware wallets like the Ledger Nano S or the Ledger Nano X for the secure Bitcoin management. By connecting the Ledger to the Sparrow, you get private keys, full control over transaction, and integration with the Sparrow's advance. So over here, you need to plug your Ledger Nano S or the X into your computer using a USB cable and enter your PIN code on the Ledger device and open the Bitcoin app on the Ledger. And after that, you can launch your Sparrow app. Go to the search on the bottom and find your Sparrow app here. Over here, what you can do is you can select this new wallet here and enter a wallet name and select create here. Under the key store in the wallet, you need to select to this connect to the hardware wallet here. Over here, you'll find this a Ledger wallet. And if you don't find it, and if you find it a Ledger wallet, you can select to this. You can click on any of the wallet here. And after that, you'll find this connect and you can connect or you can also import the Ledger wallet. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to connect Ledger to the Sparrow wallet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.